Hey lovelies, so for some days now, Humanity Protocol said there was a PAM verification. That is, you can now do your PAM verification. And they said at first when they shared the update, I shared it on my Telegram platform, and they said it was going to require a code. And people kept requesting for the code wasn't available. Then I think the developers went ahead to make it easier. So today I'm going to show you how to do your Humanity Protocol PAM verification. I'm using my Mrs. browser. If you are not yet mining Humanity Protocol, the link is always in the Telegram platform. Once you join the Telegram platform, you're going to see the link pinned always on the channel. So you can just come down here and always remember to claim every day. And you'll come down here and then you are going to click on this verify your humanity. So once you click on verify your humanity, it's going to bring you to your Play Store app. It's not yet on iOS devices, but the app is already on the Play Store, and then you come and you install it like this. If you install the app previously when the update was shared, you might have to come here to update it. So after doing that, it will prompt you to open the app just like this. Now, if your app is updated, to automatically take you to the app and bring you to something like this and ask you to verify you are human. Say, are you human? Verify your humanity by scanning both your palms. You can manage and delete your data at any time. So you just come here and slide just like this. You slide this to confirm, just slide it to the end, and then it's going to bring out this instruction. It's a capture instruction. Place your right hand with your palm open facing the front camera and follow the instructions. Make sure your hand is fully within the camera frame. Your hand is well lit and it's not shaking and all that. So I'm just going to try and do that now. So I just followed the on-screen instruction the way the image was showing, and I was doing my palm. I did it for both my right palm and my left palm. So just follow it. You might have glitches back and forth, but you keep doing it till it works successfully. Make sure you have a very good data connection. Yes, that was a plus for me too. After a successful back and forth, palm has successfully been enrolled just like this. Just do what I do. You're asked to do it for your right hand, your right palm, and your left palm. So you do it first for your right palm and do the same process for your left palm. Then once you are through, to show you palms successfully enrolled. Congratulations, your palm points have been successfully enrolled and you are now Humanity app verified. Stay tuned for updates for palm vein enrollment. Then you click on go to dashboard just like so. You come down here and you click on go to dashboard. Then once you've done that, my points here automatically increase, and I'm very sure at least my points per hour automatically increase. And then I am very sure it's because I've already verified my palm. So you can just come here and click on verify your humanity, and you see it will show you, it popped up a message. Once you click here, you're going to see a pop-up message down here. Let me do that again so that you see it said your palm is already verified. That was the message that popped down somewhere here. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to do my daily claim for the day. So I'm now having 62.50 Humanity Protocol points every 24 hours instead of what I was mining before. So this is just how to do your Humanity Protocol PAM verification if you've not done it. So do yourself a very, very big favor to do that. Start now if you've not started mining by the link in the description box of my video or on the Telegram platform. See you in another update. Bye for now, guys.